Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever walked into a tiny house and thought, wow, this place has more zen than my yoga instructor's living room? Well, buckle up, or rather, kick off your shoes and bow politely, because today on CampAvto, we're stepping into the Yutori, a Japanese-inspired tiny house that's basically a meditative retreat on wheels. And yes, it even comes with sliding doors that make you feel like a ninja every time you exit the kitchen. Before we get too far into this architectural sushi roll of delight, hit that subscribe button. No, seriously, hit it! Because while I bring you the best and weirdest rolling homes from around the globe, YouTube's algorithm thinks I'm just a guy who talks to himself about toilets in vans. Help a guy out. Now, let's talk Yutori. At just 5 meters long, that's 16.4 feet, folks. This little slice of tranquility is Lusk's smallest model to date. It's 2.4 meters wide, 7.8 feet, and just over 4 meters tall, 13.4 feet, which technically means it's shorter than my neighbor Bob's ego after his DIY deck collapsed. But don't let the size fool you. This isn't a glorified garden shed. This is functional minimalism at its peak. Slide open the ninja-style glass doors and you step into serenity, a clean, airy space with a double bed tucked near a window. Classic, not Instagram-sized. Under the bed, storage. Because even monks need a place for socks. The kitchen? Compact but mighty. Sink, dual-burner stove, mini fridge, and my favorite part, a foldable table that disappears like my motivation after leg day. The bathroom's got a 900 by 900 millimeter shower. That's roughly 3 by 3 feet for the metric challenged, a sink, and a normal toilet. I believe that's all you need, unless you're throwing a spa party, in which case, don't. Now, the tech. It's fully insulated, has hot water, gas or electric, and even air conditioning. Now the tech. It's fully insulated, has hot water, gas or electric, and even air conditioning. Premium-grade plywood with a clear sealant. The black matte furniture adds just enough drama to remind you you're still stylish, even if you live in a space smaller than most people's closets. And here's the cherry on top of your sushi roll. The Yutori starts at just odd $85,000, which is around 53,000 USD or 49,000 euros. And hey, if you love rolling sanctuaries like this as much as I do, smash that like button and consider becoming a sponsor of CampAvto. For just $1 a month, less than the price of a gas station donut, you can help keep the laughs rolling. The sponsor link's under the video, right next to the one where I cry over composting toilets.